The Xbox Series X was brought in with a complaint that it turns off shortly after being powered on. We performed initial diagnostics and observed that the console indeed shut down after a few seconds. After further testing, we suspected that the internal hard drive might be shorting out. Using the multimeter, we checked the hard drive's power and ground lines to see if it was shorted. The reading confirmed a short circuit on the drive. We removed the shorted hard drive. All components were reinstalled carefully to ensure proper contact and cooling. The console stayed powered on and operated normally without shutting off. Conclusion: the issue was confirmed to be caused by the faulty hard drive.